What's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to say howdy. Wanted to get a quick little start of this video going. We're on the 15th. We're halfway through March. Still catching fish here and there. I don't know, I just kind of want to see how long this can go. Probably not take a lot of video of fishing unless I get some action. So thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you guys soon. You guys, is this water beautiful or what? Almost feel like I could call a bite coming up here. I don't know where the fish are in the river right now, but I haven't seen much fish action here. Oh, that kind of looked weird. Every time your bobber starts darting sideways, you kind of makes you wonder. Alright guys, I think I got one on here. It's a fighter on the spinner. Oh my gosh, it's right down here in front of me. Pretty chrome fish too. Got him on the Michael Jackson. You see that? Oh, that's cool. He's spinning the spinner blade as he's swimming. Woo! Not quite done yet. The net was floating away from me. Okay. Oh, not quite. Okay, enough, mister. Or Mrs. Whatever the case may be. I think I'm gonna keep this one. She's a pretty fish. It's been a while since oh, look at that. Oh, spun around a bunch. Guess I better bonk it. Let's see if I can get that spinner. Yeah, you thought you were going to get away. Nice try. Oh, that was a good fish. Sorry, pal. I'm not going anywhere. There it is. Nice fish. So I'm going to show you guys, only because I think this is really important. I'm going to show you what you got to do to bleed a fish. So step one is you got to get a hold of their, grab their gill area. And hold on to both sides, kind of like that. And then right underneath that gill plate right here, there's the gills. Beautiful fish though, wow, such a beautiful fish. Okay. Next step is get my phone out and tag it. That's right. Alright guys, so for anybody interested in what I got that on, this is a Nasty reel made by Shimano. It's I think it's 30 or 40, probably 40 pound test on the line. Doesn't really matter if you use the super slick line on a spinning reel, it's fine. And I've got a Blue Fox number 5, the black body, the green tip, and then I've actually taken these spinners apart when I get them new, and then I rethread them with a new spinner body. And actually I didn't do that new spinner body on this. All I did was put a snap ring, a little ring right there that attaches to the spinner and to the hook. I think it's a number 3 Siwash hook. And then the little monofilament bumper I have right here, I believe that is 15 pound test, which is plenty for a steelhead. I'm doing a little more spinner fishing here. I did just get a bit of a spinner hit something hard that pulled back. Didn't hook anything, but usually they'll hook themselves with a spinner. You just pull back on them a little bit. Got it go nice and slow. When I get it right down there in their, right in their nose, right where they don't want you bugging them. And then they react to that spinner and bite it. Spinner bite's been epic. I got another one on right here. Jeez, can't believe it. These fish are whacking him. I don't think he knows he's hooked yet. Where is he? Another bright one. That's good. Come on, baby. Look at that. I'm tagged out. That thing's beautiful, I think. This is my G Gloomis that I call the Chris Loomis. Yeah, ooh, he kicked that spinner out that last second. Got lucky. Beautiful. I can't believe that. There now. Let's go. I don't think this one was done playing me. Come on. Let's show the viewers what we did here. Oh, that's pretty fish. Definitely a keeper. Definitely keeping it. So folks, here it is. Big beautiful fish. Oh, look at that fish, you guys. Just a sweetheart. Going home with me. I'm gonna tag it out and I'm gonna get out of here for the day. Guys, thanks for watching today. And I just wanted to compliment you guys how much you guys have been doing so awesome subscribing. I really like the feedback when you guys are doing comments, so it helps me when I see the, I'm sure you got ideas and then maybe you don't actually type them out, but the more comments I see, the more motivated it gets me to go out and keep doing this. So thanks for all the comments. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed, I sure hope you do. Don't want you to miss the upcoming fun I'm gonna have. So thanks again. Have a good day. Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to March 16th. We're gonna go see if there's still some fish in the river. This is the earliest I've been up in a while. I won't even be to the river until about 8 o'clock today. So join us, join me. go have some fun. A little bit of maybe a zoo or a circus today, fishing with other people. Should be fun though. Thanks. I think I'm gonna run into LC and go get me some chicken strips and
yeah. I think we're going to go home here pretty soon.
Hey Bryce, tell the viewers what you thinking.
I call it a day, go home, go eat some lunch.
Oh, this looks like a real beautiful spot. Let's see if I can find a fish or two in here, maybe. Okay, this is the first time I've fished here. Don't really know where I'm going to try to catch one, but I'll give it a try. Fishing really shallow. Hoping I don't hit the bottom too bad. Probably was a good idea. Alright guys, here's some more new water. Probably a little bit too late in the season to catch anything here, but new spots. I'm getting some chance to fish it. Yeah, I might catch something. Ooh, might have had a bite there. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I'm daydreaming. I'll have to go back and watch that video. Alright, once again, we're in a new spot. See if I can get a bite today. There's a fish. Good job. There we go. Ooh, on the striker rod, Corrado reel. That was perfect. Nice. There we go. Nice fish. Yeah, so nice. And I didn't bring my net. I'm gonna have to beach him. You know what? I'm curious if I can get some underwater footage of this guy swimming. That'll be cool. I think I'm going to pull him up here and let him You come visit me here. He's not quite ready, I guess. Thought he was. Guess that's how important the net is, right? I know. I should have had my net. Oh. There he goes. Plenty of fight left on that guy. Alright, if anybody's interested what I was using to catch that, I've got my striker rod. It's that 9'9", 8 to 14 pound test. I got a Shimano Corrado reel here. And then that guy bit this little bead. This is put out by, I don't know if you guys have heard of God Sent Beads. Great company out of Walport. I think this is called the Crazy Egg. It's one of my favorite beads that they make. Kind of a mixture of different colors. And we'll see if I can catch something on ooey gooey eggs now. There's gotta be a fish in there. There's already one in there I caught. Alright guys, here we go. See if we can get one on a spinner. We might make a spinner work. Maybe. Alright, I've switched to still using my bobber rod, but I'm trying to do bobber with a little yarn ball. This thing right here. Ooh. Ooh, that was very fishy. Look at that. There's actual scale on there. Cool. Might have found a fish down there. I didn't hook them, but pretty close. Tell me in the comments. This is something I'm curious about, so hopefully I'll remember to put this in the video. If you guys, do you feel like you can be too quick on the draw? Like, when you're fishing like I'm doing right now, bobber fishing, you see that bobber go down. Should you wait a second? Just let them, like, get it all situated in their mouth before you swing on them? Or should you just let it rip when the bobber goes down? Sometimes I think I get a little too quick on the draw and they don't quite have it all the way or something. I don't know. I'm curious your opinions on that. Trying to go a little bit slower through here, getting it deeper. Just let it drag. I might put another bead. Oh, is that rock? Oh, that's a fish. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, dude. That is probably the biggest steelhead I've ever hooked. Holy cow. Oh, he came off. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, I wish you could have seen that. That was a solid 14, 15 pounder. Dude. Oh my gosh, that was huge. He did look kind of dark, so I'm not too upset. Holy smokes. Wish I had a chance to get that back. Try again. That was a big fish, my goodness. He bit it right in here, right in that little area. God, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm dying now. Alright, I probably have zero chance of hooking this thing again, but maybe I upset him. So I'm going to run a spinner through there. See if I can get him to attack this thing. Come on now. Time for some auto magic here. Come on now. A little auto magic. Let's see how big. It felt so big it felt like a salmon. Just let it go. Find me a big whopper. Whopper! Like what the Chuck Norris said when he went to Burger King. He ordered a whopper with some water. Some cool little birdies. I don't know if you guys can see that little birdie. Hi, birdie. How you guys doing? Hope you're having fun watching this one. Obviously, you can probably tell where I'm at. I'm just fishing the fish hatchery road today, mostly. Having a real good time. Trying to just not be too aggressive, that way I don't hurt my ankle more. I think maybe a better boot, some better footwear would probably make a big difference for me. So I think that's what I'm going to work on, is I'm going to try to find some time to go shopping for some wader boots. Anyway, stick with me. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that earlier, man. That having that big one on, just tugging on there, was a heartbreaker for me when it popped off. Whatever. I'm gonna take off, guys, so appreciate you watching. It's getting to be darn near 5 o'clock. Been out here since daylight, so I'm getting tired. Had a good time. I really appreciated having a chance to fish again. It was really fun. Don't know what I'm going to be doing next. We'll just have to wait and see. Have a good one. Tight lines. Smash the like button, subscribe button, share that out to the world if you would. Thanks for watching. Bye.